Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and today I wanted to get you an update on my Stanley door closer. This video is dedicated to YouTube user Supernova 26. I posted a comment on one of his Universal Hardware door closer videos stating that he needs to move his shoe further away from the pinion like you see mine. See, my Stanley isn't that close to the pinion, and what that does is, if it's the way it is now, is I can pull it open and it won't have any resistance, because when the closer shoe is too close to the pinion, it makes it harder to open it. And here's the speeds. It latches well. See? Let's speed up at that. Do it again. I hope you like this Supernova 26. One more time, and that will be it. You know what? Actually, as an added bonus, let's lock this real quick.